Welcome to 10 days of editing with small presets. Today is day number 5. I am Monica, the Mom Tog, and if you haven't been here for the last 4 days, we've been going through all of the small presets from that original pack and just going through them one by one. So we've done 1, 2, 3, and 4. Today is day 5. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. And let's just hop right in. This is our straight out of camera image. I'm going to go with small number 5. Now, I really like small presets. I don't think I've ever used small number 5 in my life. This is not really my style as much as the other ones are. It's still really neat. It's just not typically my style. I went ahead and I straightened this line first because the more we edit this photo, the more it just bugs me. Oops, excuse me, sorry about that. So yeah, so let's get that straightened out. I always like to adjust grain first. I would work completely backwards or just hop around like a crazy person on this side panel if I had my way most of the time. So we're just, you'll have to excuse me. I'm going to do auto. I've done auto on all of them. I keep bumping it back down a little bit anyway because I'm not in love with what it's automatically doing. But the cool thing is I get to be in charge of that. I don't think I want to adjust the exposure at this point. I did bump up the shadows a little bit. I'm still really not sure how I feel about this particular preset. Look, they're not all perfect. It's a really great pack, but I'm not sure what to do with this one. Let's see what the tone adjustments have, because maybe a particular tone adjustment would help me love it more. And I really seem to lean lately towards this romantic tone. So I'm going to push it. Okay, so the thing about romantic is I feel like it's got a little bit of like pinky red in it, and that preset is really green to me, and so that is kind of helping take some of that away. And now I might actually have to use this one more often because I'm totally cool with what's happening here. I am going to make an adjustment with soft blacks. I'm really liking that in this image because I think what it is her shirt, which is actually my shirt, it's just getting too black, and it really just is, it just looks better this way in my opinion. I'm not going to change the sharpening. I like what SMAL does with sharpening. I could mess with the grain here if I wanted to. I don't want to today. That's totally just a personal choice. You can certainly do it. And then usually out of these options here, I'll just do the lens profile option, get rid of some of that vignetting around the outside that my 35mm always puts on my photos. Sometimes it's cool. I don't care for it usually, but sometimes it actually, I love the vignetting that it'll add on some photos, especially if they're really moody. Okay. So here it is. Here is, now all of a sudden I like small 5. Who knew? Who knew? So here is small number 5. Here's our straight out of camera image. Small 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And it's low. There we go. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am excited to make 5 more from this series, and hopefully I can continue making them for you if everybody likes them. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm at Monica_Brown_photos. My website is www.monica-brown.com. Thank you so much.